What's good, y'all? I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm installing a wig on my mama head. Don't mind me dropping everything. I drop stuff all the time. I have butterfingers, but guess what? The show must go on. I'm using this new Eben glue. I didn't even know that they made lace glue until my co-worker let me use her glue. And I'm applying glue on my mother's head, and I'm going to use 3 layers. I like to dot the glue on the head and then smear it out. I like to smear it on the cap mostly, then a little on her forehead, because as you can see, my mom has a low hairline. Like, she don't have that much room, so it's like I have to be really careful and mindful where I place the glue at, because any false move, the glue will be on her eyebrow, and we don't want that. You know, I don't want it to look like it's sitting on her eyebrow. Like, I just hate that. But sometimes it depends on their hairline. She loves curly hair. This is the wig I will be using. Yo, I always mess with her, but this is the wig I will be using. She loves curly hair. But now I am placing the wig on her head to make sure everything is on right, to make sure that the wig is measured properly on her head. And you want to ask your client to assist you, because you don't want that lace to move. So I'm telling her to hold her tabs down as I get everything in place. Now I am cutting the extra lace that is around her ear because she wants sideburns. When you cut the side of the lace, make sure you don't cut your client, because there's plenty of time my mama said that I cut her. I'm sorry, it's just that it be so melted. You can't see the lace, like you don't know what is what, and I wear glasses. So what they say, enter at your own risk, okay? But now that I have the sides cut out, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Depending on how big the lace is, I like to cut out different sections so I can see what I'm cutting, because I feel like for me, if I cut straight across, it's not going to look right. So I like to do different tabs. And my phone went dead when I was cutting the lace, but this is the results after I cut all the lace off. Don't worry about the white or it looking ashy, because I'm just going to add makeup to it. And a trick is to add her shade of foundation and then use your preference of holding spray or spritz or anything, and you're going to spray it and tie down. Guarantee it's going to change your lace. Now I am carving out those baby hairs. Remember how I told y'all I was new to baby hairs and stuff like that, and I was like, I'm gonna get better with time, blah blah. I got better with time, and I'm only gonna get better and better and better. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel if y'all want to see my growth with my nails, my hair, my makeup, and everything, because we're not stopping. This time I'm not stopping. I'm trying to be more consistent with everything. Besides my real life, it be busy, it's chaotic, but I just want to put out more videos and more content, because we need to get to 1,000 subscribers. Tell a friend to tell a friend, bring a friend, bring a friend. Share my videos, whether it's good, bad, any kind of feedback, I don't care. Anything is better than nothing. As long as y'all subscribe, I really don't care. I'm making sure the baby hairs is even, because we decided to go with no part. This wig, don't get me wrong, this is a nice wig, and it looked like a transparent lace, and it already came pre-plucked. The only thing I had to do was just bleach the knots, but it doesn't have a side part. Like, you can't make a deep side part. The only thing you can do is just make a middle part. And I don't know if y'all like stuff like that, but that was the only thing that was wrong with this wig. You cannot do a side part, because the tracks were literally on the side. It just was just middle. But overall, this wig was good. I love this wig. The wig was pretty dry, and it was even prettier wet. But as you can see, I'm just spraying some free spray after I applied that makeup to show y'all the trick that I was talking about. Now I am using my blow dryer to make sure everything is melted, everything is intact, making sure that makeup stick with the glue, making sure the glue stick with the makeup, making sure the makeup stick with the lace with the baby hairs, baby bands. But yes, now watch this. Drum roll. Ooh, stop playing. It's melted. Y'all, look at it. It's giving scalp. That's definitely her hair. Like, don't play with no me. That is her hair. It's coming out her scalp. Yeah. But now I have to comb out the baby hairs and then make the baby hairs. When I cut baby hairs, I like to cut in a slant rather than straight across, because I feel like it look weird. Like, you ever try to cut baby hair straight across? Like, how they even come out? I don't know. I always thought it just was normal to cut in a slant. Like, it's common sense. But using some Nairobi mousse, I am swooping them swoops. Be very quick, because I learned on my journey with baby hairs, if you move too slow, the mousse dries pretty quickly, and you will just have wet hair, like loose hair everywhere, and it will not be molded. So make sure when you are swooping your baby hairs, be very, very light with your fingers and very light on a comb to get your desired baby hair look. I wanted to do 4 baby hairs, like two on the front and 2 on the sides. I just love that. I don't know why. We could do dramatic. We're going to do dramatic on me. in my next video, but I love when it look like this because it just give it a natural look. Now that I have the baby hairs finished, I'm using my elastic band to tie down the baby hairs. And when I tie down the baby hairs, I'm going to put the blow dryer on the baby hairs too, so they can stay in place. And this is the finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video if you like the way this video came out. And yes, this wig was purchased from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you guys for watching.